Hello. Today we're doing Daily Math Blast 4, Subtraction Within 100. Sam found 39 seashells. He gave some seashells away. Now Sam has 14 seashells left. How many seashells did Sam give away? So it says, write and solve an equation to show this problem. Use a symbol for the unknown number. So the first thing I need to do is I need to take this word problem and I need to convert it into an equation. So we're going to write our equation exactly as things happen. So first, Sam found 39 seashells. So 39. He gave some seashells away. Well, the mathematical symbol that we use for giving something away is minus. So that's subtraction symbol there. Now it says he gave some, so I don't know. So here's my unknown number. So I'm going to use a mystery box. So I've got that box there. That represents that there's a number there, but I'm not sure what it is yet. Now Sam has 14 seashells left. So equals 14. So what this tells me is he started with 39, he gave some away, and now he has 14. So I want to find what goes in that mystery box. So how many seashells did Sam give away? Okay. So I can do this a lot of different ways. I'm going to use the arrow method. So I'm going to count down from 39 to 14 using the arrow method. So 39, and I want to get to 14. So I'm going to take this away in chunks that I can easily do in my head, and I'm going to write them down, and then I'll put all the pieces together, and that'll give me that missing number, that unknown. So 39. So the first thing I know is I need to get to 14. Well, there's 4 ones here. So I have 9 ones, so I'm going to take 5 of those ones away. So 39 minus 5 is 34. So now if you notice my ones match up, I have 4 ones here and 4 ones here, but now I have 3 10s and I have 1 10. So I'm going to take some 10s away. So first I'm going to take 1 10 away. So I'm at 24. And now I've got 2 10s. The only difference between these numbers is 2 10s and 1 10. So I'm going to take another 10 away. And that gets me to 14. So I took away 5, 10 more, 10 more, and now I'm at 14. So that means altogether I took 5, 10, and 10. Well, 10 and 10 is 20. 1 10 and 1 10 is 2 10s or 20. And now I've got 5 ones. So 25. So 25 seashells. Okay. Now, addition using rectangular arrays. So we have our array here. It says use repeated addition to write an equation to show how many stars are shown by the array. Well, the important thing is we have rows, which go side to side, and then we have columns, which go up and down. Okay? So when we're looking at an array, we look at it this way. We have 2 rows of 3 in each row. So 1 row of 3 and another row of 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. So there's my repeated addition sentence. 1 row of 3 plus another row of 3 equals the 6. And if I had a third row, it'd just be 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Okay? So now, measuring length using appropriate tools. So we have these tools. We have a ruler and we have a yardstick. Okay? Now I know a ruler is about 12 inches long, and I know a ruler is 3 of those rulers long. So a ruler I'm going to use for the smaller objects, a yardstick for much larger objects there. So I have an eraser. So I have like a pink eraser that we would use in school. So obviously that is a smaller object, so we would use a ruler. Would be the easiest tool to measure. We could measure it using a yardstick, but it would make it more difficult because that yardstick is pretty long. Okay. Now, understanding place value. Circle the digit in the tens place. Well, my place values, I kind of go from the right to the left, so I have the ones, tens, and hundreds. So I have 6 in the ones, 2 in the tens, 6 in the hundreds place. So I'm looking for the tens place. So circle the digit. I have 2. So there are 2 tens in the number. Okay. And our final question, partition circles and rectangles into 2, 3, or 4 equal shares. Well, here we're dealing with rectangles, so it says partition the rectangle into 3 equal shares in 2 different ways. So partition means to separate, so I'm going to use lines to kind of to break it up into 3 equal shares. So that means they have to have the same area, the same amount of space. So I need that same area in each of those, and I need to break it up into 3 equal parts, but I have to do it in 2 different ways. So first, I'm just going to cut it vertically. And these don't have to be exact, they just need to be approximate so that we're showing what our thinking is. So I'm looking here, cut it there, and I cut it there. Then those are roughly 3 equal pieces there. Okay, so those are vertical lines. So over here, I don't want to draw those vertical lines because that would be the same way. I want to do it a different way. So here I'm just going to cut it horizontally or side to side. So here I've got my 3 equal pieces. This one's a little big. I probably should have moved those lines a little bit, but it's pretty close. So I've got my 3 equal shares. So I showed how to partition the rectangle into 3 equal shares in 2 different ways. I just need to be careful so that the teacher clearly knows what I'm intending by my lines. Okay? So this was our daily Math Blast 4. Thank you.